Maswati siceda kubuka iclip lebuhlungu la. Lo nemehlo ubonile lobuso bamthandeni ukuthi abusibo mnanzi. Nakhona-ke Maswati nisiyalile. Labanye basiyale kahle, labanye basiyala kabi. Nisiyala nithi nifuna kuya ku-family meeting nje, nifuna kuyokonela umhlonishwa mthandeni. Cha Maswati. Uma nisiyala siyaleni kahle, siboniseni kahle. Asikedi kutonela umhlonishwa mthandeni. Akusho ukuthi makunenvo lelukhuni kanje leyendeke even. Labakhona lababekwe uNkulunkulu, labeluleka sive kufuna bese sebayathula. Ngeke ngathi kulelinye ilanga the world is in a mess today, not because of the evil perpetrated by the evil people. Ngathi okay, ngithi the world is in a mess today, not only because of the evil perpetrated by the evil people, ngathi mostly because of the silence of the good people. Ngekubinza kwalabo labatiko lokuthi kumele kuthi bathini. Maswati afika esigabeni lahlukana emkhathini khona. Wonile mthandeni, usithengisile mthandeni, abefanele mthandeni. Maswati athathe ama-directions lamanengi. Kulicala ke ukuthi mawunikwe umsebenzi wekuba ngumholi, kube nesimo lesinje, bese ushobela phansi kwematafula uyathula. Akube khona umuvo lo wapha laMaswati nalesive. Ubese kuba kiso lesive ukuthi sona ke sithatha kanjani. Ngidawucala ngisho ngithi lo mdanso loya ubuhlungu. Lo mdanso loya uyasilimata singeMaswati. Ngine ashorishe Maswati ukuthi kunengi lesingakukhuluma nalana mina lengikwatiko. Kodwa lesingeke sikhulume lebesivele singeke sikhulume ngekucabanga nathi tingoni leniticabanga ukuthi nicabanga ukuthi awubese mhlambe kuphatha amadona. Ngithi kuletinye tindzaba letinengi uma utibona ukuthi lukhuni akusho ukuthi ungadikhulumi, but kusho ukuthi utikhuluma njani. So uma kutaba khona siphosisa khona kulenza bandawo lala tikwethu njoba sifuna kuyikhuluma, but sitawutama kuyikhuluma ngesigaba lesisedulu. Kokuqala ngicela kubonga emaphepha Breaking News 24, ngibonge The Swazi Voice, ngibonge The Reporter. Angisathi lamanye ukuthi ngimaphi. Ngiwabongela ukuthi ma sources lawatshela ngesikhathi ukuthi mthandeni ulungiselwa kuyawugidza. Noma kunemalungiselelo ekuthi mthandeni ayawugidza. Lokuthi niyikhiphe lendzaba ngithanga nibonge on record. Nenda laMaswati aqala ku-anticipate. Abulungela lobuhlungu ngoba buhlungu lobukude longade ukuthi mthandeni ude licala. Kokucala lokho. Kwesibili kuwes lebe kutawukwendeka. Lokuvela kwaleti ndzaba kwende tinguquko letinengi lengeke ngisakhuluma ngato la. Kodwa lengitatiko mina ukuthi ngenxa yalokho silenza baseyiphuma ekucala bekumele kwendeke naku, bekumele kwendeke naku, akukabe kusendeka ngoba lesive sesibukile kuloko. I am aware. That's why ngithi ngiyabonga ma online platforms. Kule humiliation kunengi lenisivikelekiko ngekuthi lenza bani ikhulume. Ngiyacetha kulolo hlangothi lolo sengicela nayi article ngunikete yona ya comrade Amos Mbete, may his soul rest in peace. Screenshot saka Times angathi lokuthi unaso inras ngoba ngilapho la ngifuna kubhayisa khona lokukhuluma kwami. Ubese uyangilungiselela ke kune screenshot sengikhulumo yamthandeni layibeka enkantolo. Lengicela ukuthi ningive kahle Maswati ukuthi kulokule ngifika kiko mina personal akufiki Swalimo la, kufika Magawugawu, one of the 3 members of parliament kule matter le. So mangabe usakhumbula, mangabe unaso le screenshot sa Amos Mbete saka Times, sinesithombe sakhe nje lesincane lapha etulu, uthi uyangilungiselela yini le lapha ke Maswati nginilethele liphephandzaba le-Times la kwakukhuluma khona ummeli wemufi lisotsha lemakomanisi Comrade Amos Mbete, may his soul rest in peace. Asithanzi kusebenzisa ligama lakhe nesigaba sakhe, kodwa indzaba itekwa ngalenye indzaba. Kutaba khona abanye bathi wa being insensitive ngoba Amos angasekho, waze waba lisotsha lebantfu kufuna wati ukuthi kutawukhulunywa ngawe lokunengi noma ukhona noma ungasekho, kungako sithi may his soul rest in peace. Nayi lendzaba ikubeka kube kusobala. Ngicela phandasi lethi Mbete is alleged to have written a letter. Ngicela uchubeke wehle uyendasi. Yes. Mbete is alleged to have written a letter to the South African High Commissioner to Swaziland requesting him to apologize on his behalf to His Majesty King Mswati III for his involvement in the bombings. His attorney ummeli wakhe liyogama itolo utshele inkantolo ukuthi Mbete wayibhala lencwadi emva kwekwelulekwa ngemawada eprison. Nanga lama dates abekiwe. Ngitsini ke manje? Ngithi siboshwa setepolitiki kuthi sihambe siyowucolisa kumswati. Akuqali ngemhlonishwa Mthandeni. Lokho kufuna ngikwende kube clear, akuqali ngemhlonishwa Mthandeni. Niyati maswati ukuthi Amos Mbete iMass Democratic Movement imsaluthe kangakanani. Ime kangakanani naye kwaze kwafika ekugcineni. Wathi ngisho sayongqwatshwa sonke onke ama forces abemethwele ngoba kwaba ngumuntu lowathanza eMaswati. Akutange kuthiwe wase uyacolisa kumswati. Kungako ke sesiyamdisowner akasesilo lisotsha leMaswati. Akutange lokho kwendeke. Uthi Nelson Mandela uliphiciphici. Umuntu la kunjinjako la kukhulumako kuye ngalokuthi sengibani la khuluma naye noma sengibani la khuluma ngaye. A man who changes what he says depending on whom he is talking to now is not worthy to be trusted, is not worthy to be a leader. Umuntu le inkulumo yakhe injinja ngawuthi nyalo ngikhuluma nabani akusilo ngaba ngumholi. Mangabe lisotsha leMaswati leselalala Mbete amhloniphe Maswati ayathi kamhlophe lencwadi yekucolisa. Ufanele ukuthi Mthandeni Dube amhloniphe eMaswati noma eve ukuthi ucolisile. That is my first position. Angisafuni ukunibambelela. iTimes ngibhalele umbuto. Ngifuna ukuthi mangiphendula ngibe clear. Ithi Makawukawu so ucolisile Mthandeni. Mthandeni sewube ne change of heart. Uva kunjani ngoba bekayi pro democracy activist. Nyalo so uyabona ukuthi wenda liphutha noma has a change of heart. Kube besikhathi besikhona bengayibeka le question eTimes ngoba ngihlale ngithi kini nibongibhalela kuze ngidonikhotha kahle kusasa. Ngenxa yesikhathi ngeke ngisayibeka but ngivena ukuthi iTimes ibhale lokho. Ngiyabonga. Okay, isuse kwanyalo. Isuse kwanyalo. Oh ya. Ngiyo le. Ngibutwa iTimes ke la. Nanga nje magama lathi in his message Prince Melana ngedlule lapho. Given Dube's past stance on political reform, how do you interpret this apparent change of heart? What is your view on Dube's decision? Isuse sabonile Maswati. Lapha ke ngibhalelwa ngiTimes uyangibuta. Sengiyamphendula ke. Njengoba sengiphendule Maswati ngoba ngikholwa ukuthi neMaswati lamanengi anawo lo mbuto lengibutho iTimes. Nayi impendulo yami lengibanikete yona. Ngithe kokuqala Makawukawu naMthandeni nabacede uma bathi eMaswati athi sekufika isikhathi la kumele ukuthi indunankulu namagunya akhethwe ngamaSwati angakhonjwa ngomSwati, lamalungu ePhalamende lamathathu abengacabani naMswati, abengethuki iMswati. Lokho bengimphendula esigabeni lesithi uva kunjani makathi Mthandeni lunwele loluthe wena waphakathi. Ngimphendulile ke ngathi ufanele Mthandeni kukusho lokho ngoba vele thina uma sithi athide eMaswati asithunywanga ukuthi Mswati akayokufa. To me that is not a change of heart. Vele asifiseli Mswati kufa, kungako Mthandeni angafiseli Mswati kufa. Ngicale ngalelo ngathi the wish for a long life is in order. Ngoba lo mzabalazo wethu is of love, is not of hatred. Sithi umzabalazo wenzondo, sisemzabalazweni weluthando. Simthandzela ukuthi agucule ingqondo ende lokufanele ukuthi akwenda anike eMaswati lithuba lokuthi atiphathe kuhulumende. That was the first response. Imphendvulo yesibili makathi njengoba Mthandeni sewune change of heart kanti simathi ay political activist, uva kunjani? Ngicela ukuthi nilalele eMaswati ngoba ngiyati nani ukuthi ninawo lo mbuto. Makawukawu na Mthandeni nabacede uma bangena ePhalamende 2018 noma 2019 bebangasiwo ema-political activist, beba ngemadoda lathenjwe sive ukuthi ayokhuluma liciniso. So to call Mthandeni a political activist or to call Bacede until atisho yena a political activist, in my mind is misplaced. Ngibachazela thina masikhuluma inkulumo yeMaswati, we were representatives of the people. Thina besingumbhobho wekuthi labasivotele bathide asitokusho ini. Mchazele lowe times kusilalela niyamona Mthandeni nithi nine was an activist une change of heart. Mthandeni lilunga lelakhethwa lase likhuluma lelikhethelwe kona lokuthinta ipolitiki njengesishamthetho. You don't need to be a political activist kuze ukhulume lokuthunywe bantu lokufaka tinguquko tepolitiki. I must say ukuthi Makawukawu Nyalo is a political activist, a declared one. Makawukawu Nyalo kodwa nga 2019 mina kuba i-political activist ngiqale esikolweni, ngahamba nepolitiki, ngafika nasecollege ngahamba nepolitiki, kwafika isikhathi la ngabathe ngiyafuca khona ngililunga lephudemo, ngadibana netingcinamba lethi okay lo mshini angeke ulunge la sengiretreat ngiyokwenza letinye izinto. Ngashiya my political activism, ngayiphoza, ngawunaka lenye impilo. Mangiye ePhalamende ngangakathwali mandate lengithole from an organization. Kungako ngithi it was not just like by political activist lela ngiyise ePhalamende. Bantu basesiphofaneni labeva umqondo ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ikhona into lengayenda ePhalamende. So Bacede Mthandeni, angikhulume nje ngaMthandeni, ningasho ukuthi beka i-political activist. Mthandeni beka sithunywa seMaswati akhuluma la kuthunywe ngeMaswati. Ngicela ke Rasi kuleli thuba leli ungibekele inkulumo yaMthandeni layibeka enkantolo ngelanga lakhe lekugcina. Ngalesikhathi sa plead sebamnika isikhathi sekuthi atikhulumele ukuthi bamkhulumele bameli bakukhulumele bekumele bakhulume yena uthini. Kune screenshot saka Times Ras lesingisona sitawungenda eMaswati eve ukuthi ngithini mangithi Mthandeni bekulunga lePhalamende. Ngiyafisa manje ukuthi usithole because inkulumo yaMthandeni le ngifisa ukuthi niyive niyifunze ngendlela iTimes leyayicaptiona ngayo. Ngikunikete kanye nalama screenshots onke lawa lamanye usho uma ungayitholi Ras sitobona ukuthi simisa kanjani. Kodwa ke ngoba usayifuna ukuthi usayilungisa ngicela kuyiparaphrase. Nitawukhumbula ukuthi umhlonishwa Bacede makabeka inkulumo yakhe kade angayifungela. Bese niyakhumbula ukuthi umhlonishwa Mthandeni yakhe inkulumo wayifungela. Taba nemehluko letinkulumo somewhere. Wathi makacedza kuyikhuluma bafika esigabeni la bamcross examine khona sebambuta. Bambuta ukuthi uyatimbanzakanya yena lokukhulunywa ngumhlonishwa Bacede. Wathi ukucela ukuthi ikhulumela umhlonishwa Bacede athi ikhulumela. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyo le. Awuyenyuse kancane. Yeah, just keep going up. Yeah, lapha nje kule paragraph niyabona ukuthi he told the court that he had no comments on what was said by Mabuza. Ngicela ukuthi uchubeke asewume lapho ke. Yeah. Ngicela uchubeke uyetulo. Bamba lapho ke. Bayambuta ke Bacede. I mean lo is there anything you disagree with from his testimony? Bambuta ngeko ke mhlonishwa Bacede. Advocate Gareth Lapan, who is representing the Crown in the matter, asked Dube. In response, Dube stated that he was representing the people of Ngwempisi and that his job was over. He said there were new MPs responsible for holding government accountable. In response, Dube stated that he was representing the people of Ngwempisi and that his job was over. He said there were new MPs responsible for holding government accountable. Uthini Mthandeni? Uthi konke lengakukhuluma ngakhuluma imivo yebantu ngangisemsebentini ngenta lengikuthunywe bantu. Uma ungibuta nyalo kunelunga leParliament laseNgwempisi lekutabakile ukuthi liyachubeka kukusho lokusho baseNgwempisi noma kuchubeke. Mina lengakukhuluma ngangililunga leParliament. Uyona ke le article le kukhona la kucizelela khona. I think kusetulu noma kuphansi uyayibona Ras ithi ngiyacinisa ukuthi lapha la kwabulawa khona abantu ngangingekho. Yedlula futhi ithi angikho ecaleni lekubulala lamaswati labulawa. Ngemagama akhe lawabeka umhlonishwa Mthandeni. Waba clear ukuthi akalati lelicala. Futhi nalendzawo le scene of crime la kwenteka khona lokho abengekho. Uyedlula ke uthi konke la kukhuluma yena beka lilunga leParliament lelikhethiwe wakhuluma into la ithunywe bantu. Vala lapho Ras. Ngithi inike kini Maswati. Ngithi mina nyalo I'm a political activist and ngasiphakamisa sandla futhi nganitshela. Ngathi I crossed my Damascus moment ngalesikhathi Mswati adubula eMaswati anganasono. I crossed my Rubicon ngalesikhathi Mswati abulala abantu ubusakasaka ngawuntshintsha umqondo. Ngathi kugcina lapha ke kuba lilunga leParliament lelikhulumela abantu basesiphofaneni. Mswati phela mina bengivana naye prior to that. I had really no problems with him. Kufuna ngibe clear. Nginetithombe lenganginato naye, nginetinkulumo lengambhalela tona, sibonene naye kanengi emakhosikazi akhe ngekwehlukana kwawo. Yonke le mithi 3 or 4 ngeke ngafika on invitation. Vele bengide iphobia. Mane wayilimata inhlitiyo yami mhlabula leMaswati ngaphandle kwesizathu. Bungani bamnaye base buyaphela. The day adubula eMaswati. From that day kuze kube kunamuhla ngatitshela ngathi I'm a change agent. Akusesinya lo ngokuthi ngithunywe abantu basesiphofaneni. Akusesinya lokuthi le mandate ngisesengilo enilunga noma cha. Sengene kulembi lethi sewubulele abantu lo wababeloya. Njengoba sabulele abantu I will stay the cause. Ngiyawuma kulembi le ayuze eMaswati abuye nendondo. That was my personal conviction. That was my turning point. After Mswati abulele bantu. Hayi mangimemetela ukuthi athi Maswati afuna ngifuna ngulokhetho lona magunya. lapho kwakulilunga leParliament lelikhulumako. Emva kwaloko, as we speak now, I'm in this battle as an activist and I shall stay the course. Ungakuthathi ke lokho ukugaxe kumhlonishwa Mthandeni. Kungendeka kube umhlonishwa Baqede sewagucuka sewaba ngiloku lengiko ngeke ngimkhulumele. Kwathi yena futhi nidawuva ngaye. Ngiyakholwa ke Maswati ukuthi ningivile on what I'm saying esigabeni semhlonishwa Mthandeni bese ngiyabuya ke ngithi kunengi ngabe or before uma kwendiwa ima petitions Maswati akithi kufuna nginichazele uma nihamba niye udeliver ima petitions inkulumo yamhlonishwa Baqede beyithi siyathi thina ukuthi laba understanda ngcono labantu ngilaba affiliated kuma political organization ngoba vele bona bebavele bakupolitiki magama emhlonishwa Baqede la ngesikhathi sema petitions kodwa nyalo lenva isesiyo yema political organizations ngeMaswati onke ngoba lenkundlena sikavotelwa ngema political organizations kuphela sivotelwe abantu abakupolitical organization nalaba ngekho political organization wathi ke Baqede siyacela Maswati uma niya kuma petitions ningathi bugcoki tikipateno ibese lenzo yenta ngathi senda iagenda thide wathi siyacela ningawaphathe ama flag lolubito silithole from the general members of our country magama Baqede ngiyawakhumbula. May the soul of president we EFF Swaziland rest in peace. Wamtshela kanengi leader we EFF Nombulelo wathi ngiyacela sisi ngiyawabona emandla enu itanini kodwa leti impahla tente EFF nalama flag nifanele ningawaphathi masalapha kuma petitions so that nalo ngekho athi khanze lento inge yakhe siyacela sicelwe ngeMaswati kulo. That was Baqede. We were not political activists. We were members of parliament. Sihambisa inkulumo lesiniketwe bantu. Wasibopha Mswati. Wasibophela kuhambisa inkulumo lesinikwe bantu. Akasibopha umsebenzi lesasiwenda wawusiholela 50,000. Sasenda ke lokhu lesikuholelako. Hey, ngiyakholwa ke namhla ukuthi nivile Maswati. Mina nyala I'm a freedom fighter. I am, and I declare that from this time going forward, I have changed. I'm no more the ordinary member of parliament. I am a freedom fighter, and I will stay the cause. So, angimati umhlonishwa Baqede, angimati umhlonishwa Mthandeni, angimati. Kodwa by the time sise parliament, konke lesakwenda ezemalungu eparlamente, la magama lawo wakhuluma enkantolo seniwabonile. Wathi enkosi enkantolo mina phela ngililunga bengililunga leParliament ngidakhuluma njani nyalo lokho la kunemuntu lolunga leParliament lokhulumela babantu phela ngangingakhulumi kwami. It was not my views, kwakungasumcondo wami, kwakungumcondo wesive lesingithumile. Ngitsheleke lo Times ngathi ukuthathaphi ukuthi kwakungumcondo waMthandeni wawuthenga Mthandeni umcondo awutshelwa ngeMaswati. That is it. Wathi ngitayikhuluma ngoba lento ngiyayiva, it makes sense. Na lengekhathi mangibuka it makes sense. So lenza bayabo change of heart nabo banibani ngicela kungayikhulumi Maswati ngoba angiyati. Ngicela ke sengisonga lenzaba lekuthi singamcrucify Mthandeni. Ngiyacela. Futhi ngicela kwateke lokuthi akusiye yedwa lo hambe wayokucolisa. Bakhona ke labatiko lokuthi lokucolisa kusho kuthini. Ngingabuta nje ukuthi khathi sinathi amixa inkomo bekathi beka wrong yini lokuteleka. Those are questions I asked myself. Ukuthi khathi ayalena ba sinathi mixa inkomo what's wrong with beka admit ukuthi wrong yini. Ngaconclude ukuthi ama dynamics culture angiwati. So uma ema dynamics culture ngawati ngicela kungayiloboli indzaba lenjalo. Makawukawu ngeke azacolise kuMswati. That's my personal stand. It must be clear. Mswati kufuna kwathi ukuthi angiyoze ngicolise kuye. Ngikhulumela makawukawu nyalo. Angimati umhlonishwa Baqede. Makawukawu akayoze. I don't believe in it. But another one of the three, if I believe like you go, why must we crucify him? I will never do that. I will stay in this thing and I will fight it the way I understand it until the bittersweet end. mina lenzaba yokuxolisa on my side njengoba ngisho ngathi ama dynamics eculture angwa understand angiboni nalokuthi ngabe kuyini ngoba lengikwatiko silala sikhona khona ngoba Mswati wabulala eMaswati asimakheli phela aMaswati. Major General Jeffrey wathi khulume lahlete emathangeni wathi kwathi wasivule indlela ngetibhamu indlela kwakungulaMaswati wathi wasiwabulala sidubule. Washo Major General Jeffrey ukuthi hey masifika lela babuke emacala wababuta ukuthi anibabophi ngala lamalungu eParliament lamathathu bathi lababuke emacala ngoba bebakhona sangalibona ilicala wathi anilibona ilicala uthi Jeffrey lwaphakama lwandle ngase ngiyalubongelela ngiyalwekhuta engabancengela abancengela ukuthi bathi khanze ba wrong kanti bathi licala likho wathi yena likhona saboshwa ngumswati thina for no apparent reason. Wabulala abantu yena lo mela boshwe la ngumswati lo wabulala abantu and wathi makaqetha kubulala abantu sababulele wangayine kuyobakhalela wahamba okhayela tindonga. That's why I'm saying nganjinja lapho mina ngathi no I'm now a freedom fighter. I'm gonna stay this thing. Sengedlulile